Fit Lab Pittsburgh here with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today we're talking about 3 tips for a healthy, safe Sunday Funday. Tip number 1, make movement a priority. Get outside, get moving before the day gets away from you. Tip number 2, wear the proper gear. For us today, that means baseball hat for sun protection and dog boots for paw protection. Tip number 3, hydrate. Make sure you get your water in, especially if it's a warm, humid day. Even if it's not a warm, humid day, get your water in, stay hydrated. For more healthy lifestyle tips and movement inspiration, check out the Fit Lab Pittsburgh podcast. We release a new episode every Sunday at www.fitlabpgh.com. Good job, ladies. Getting outside, getting moving on a Sunday morning.